Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that buzzing or hissing noise that your microphone has when it's plugged into your PC. So let's get down to it. So the first thing you want to do is go to control panel. You can just search it in your start and go to hardware and sound, go to sound. And what you want to do here is go to recording because that's where all your microphones are, and go to your current microphone. This is my microphone that I'm using right now, and there are all these tabs. You're gonna want to double click that, and this is gonna pop up properties. So if you go to listen, you can actually check on this checkbox here and pick your current speaker that you're using, your output, and hit apply. So this way you can listen to what your microphone is picking up. And as you can see, or hear, there's this annoying buzzing sound. So I found this to fix my problem. I hope it fixed yours, but just give it a try. So what you want to do now is go to levels here and just set this to 80. Now this is going to make your sound quieter, and right now I'm using an audio interface. So what you can do if you're using an audio interface too, you can crank up that input gain until you reach a comfortable level without clipping. Loud enough. Yeah, right now I'm cranking up the input gain until it's reasonable. Make sure it's not clipping and make sure it's loud enough. Now, my voice is roughly the same level as when it was 100, but now there's no buzzing noise. And voila. Problem solved for me. And another thing you might want to do is go to advanced here and uncheck these boxes, because if you check these boxes, it means that other recording software can mess up your microphone settings without you even knowing what it's changing. So that's it for today. I hope you solve your audio problems. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.